Hello everybody, it's Mindy. Welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy my channel and find some things here that you like to watch. I do diamond painting, crochet, books. I'm an all-around kind of girl, right? But we have a good time here. So I hope if you're new here, you find something you like and you stick around. And thank you for everybody who does stick around and comes back and watches all my videos. I appreciate it so much. So today we have diamond painting and it's coming to us from FGNORMAL. Thank you, FGNORMAL, first of all, for letting me pick out some things to show you. I have some good things here to show you. Let's get right to it. We don't want to waste any time. Let's get to it. All right. First of all, every kit comes with one of those little tool kits. All right. Let's go. Here we go. This is super, super pretty. Let me zoom you in. Love this. You know, I love hummingbirds, and this is gorgeous. Look at all that background. Now, none of this is drilled. No drills on that background. It's all just printed, but it is so pretty. I love that they're doing that they're adding color to the entire canvas. It's a 30 by 30. In reality, it's 25 by 25 when you measure it out, but I love it. And look at all of the beautiful colors. Look at all the special drills on this hummingbird. Like all of this body and a bunch of the wings is special drills in the flowers. There's a ton of special drills. This has 14 different types of drills, and I love the colors. The pinks, the purples, the teals. It's going to be gorgeous. Look, there's a baby hummingbird. My hummingbirds are back. I just saw one the other day for the first time, so I got my feeders out, and I have been seeing them. I had a close encounter the other day, actually. I was on my front porch, and this little hummingbird, I saw him at the feeder, and I just stood still. And he was done at the feeder, and he kind of flew. And he was like within 3 feet of me. And he just hovered there, looking at me. And I didn't move. I was like, well, hi. I loved it. Oh my gosh. Here's our drills. Gold, a couple different pinks. That one's more purpley pink. Green, orange, and some black. So those are, wow, that's it for the rhinestones, folks. The rest of these are special drills. Whoa, okay. So let's show you what we have. We have our little orange claws. I always call those claws. Pink pearls, green marquee, blue marquee, pink shards. I've already seen where those go. They go in here. Love it. Oh, iridescent red teardrops. Those are cool. Love those. Flowers. We have some yellow flowers, and we have some green marquees. Yellow flowers. They've been kind of using those for the centers. I've seen them several times lately to make the centers of the flowers. How pretty! I mean, look at all of the marquees that are going in those wings. It's going to be gorgeous. Just gorgeous. All right. Winner, right? Winner. All right. Here's something a little different for me. A little different, but very, very pretty. Look how pretty that is. It's just this heart and all these flowers around it. We got this little spray. We got feathers. How pretty is that? Now, there is some white background on this, but I don't mind that because there's not much white background. We have printed pink over here and some purple over here. I don't mind that white there. Not at all. This one has 8 different types of drills. I see 7s and 6s and 8s. More 6s and 7s, more 8s. They're all over in those flowers. Love this. All right, 8 different types of drills. Let's see what they are. It is so bright. It's just a bright, vibrant painting. So we start with 2 bags of the pink, of course. 2 bags of pink. A little bit of yellow, a little bit of green, some blue, and some clear. That's the rhinestones, folks. Pink, yellow, green, blue, and clear. Next, we have pink pearls. Love those. Those are pretty. How about pink teardrops? 2 bags of pink teardrops. That's going to be number 7, I believe, or 8, one of the 2. Then we have blue marquee. Love that. All the pinks and blues. I like pink and blue together. I think it looks really good together. Yeah, these are the teardrops. These are the marquees, the blue marquees and the pink teardrops. That is so pretty. I like that one. Let me know what you think. Okay, tell me what you think. All right, this next one, I was really surprised because I had no idea that it was this large. I thought it was going to be a little small one, but it is big. Look at her. Isn't that adorable? I love everything about this. Look, we got little guys down here, the little gnomes down here. We got packages, got a little house in the back. She's like in the woods and she's gone out and picked flowers. She is amazing. Now let's look at the bottom of the dress. You don't diamond paint a lot of the dress, but there are these little round, there's like 5 or 6 drills that make up these little rounds on her dress. Love it. Special drills in the flower, in the leaves. Wow. She is cute, isn't she? Her hat is mostly printed, but again, you get some of those little circles with the rhinestones. That's adorable. That is super, super cute. I like that one a lot. I had no idea it was that big. There are 11 different drills for this. Look at, she even has like a little flower on her boot. Super cute. All right, here we go. We have clear rhinestones, a very pale, lemony, greeny color, pink, a brown rhinestone, a very bright green, a blue, and a red. Those are our rhinestones. Here's our specials. Gold marquise, gold round faceted. Oh, love these. Oh, these are some of my favorites. Look at the iridescent colors coming off that. That is AB coated. They pick up all the colors. I see green, pink, purple, blue. Love these. And these are iridescent as well. They're not showing as many colors, but I can pick up some pink and gold and purple in those. Love those. Those are stunning though, those green ones. Those are gorgeous. She is cute as a button, isn't she? Cute, cute, cute. I love her. Oh, and that size. That's amazing. Okay. One more item. One more item comes in a box. You know the things in the boxes. I got a bunch of boxes. I got so many things with special drills to diamond paint. Oh, yeah. Ooh, I'm going to like this. You're going to like this too. There's our drills. Oh, pre-bagged drills for that one. Here's our toolkit, and it comes with a chain. So you know what it means when we get a chain? This hangs. I'm loving the hanging objects. I'm loving them. There's our drills. We'll look at those in a minute. Are you ready? This is so pretty. Look at it. Whoa. It's a big old dragonfly right in the center of that. Look at the special drills around the outside. 10s and 8s and 9s. 11 and 12 in the body. 7s on the wings. There's a lot of special drills on that one. That is so pretty. The stained glass. Trying to keep the glare off it for you. I got to tilt it a little. Gorgeous, right? Now, on the back, it doesn't get any drills. And right now, it doesn't look very pretty, right? Remember, this has a film on it. It's always hard for me to get them started, especially when I have just cut my nails off. I get tired of my nails. I just chop them off. Peel this back and look at how pretty that is. Look at how shiny. See the shine? Look how pretty it is. It's the same image on the back, but it just doesn't have any drills. It's gorgeous. Wow, that's pretty. I could sit and make this kind of stuff all day long. I think they're fantastic. Can I hang them all in my house? Whew, I don't know. I run out of room. I have to alternate. I could alternate weekly probably. Okay, what do we get? Oh, a pretty pale blue, a pale lilac, a gold, a pink, a darker purple, darker blue. Oh, those are such pretty colors. Okay, here's our special drills. Gold shards, gold round faceted, purple marquee. Those are pretty. Purple round faceted, some pearls, and some clear marquee. I love it. Absolutely love that. Wow. Okay, You guys, you're going to have to let me know what you think. What do you think? Well, let's just remind you. We got the pretty hanging pendant, the dragonfly. We got this cute, cute, cute girl. What is she? Is she she's not a gnome. Is she a witch because of her hat? I don't know what she is. She's cute though. She's cute. We got the pretty pink and blue heart. And we got the beautiful colorful hummingbirds. What a fantastic selection, right? I'm telling you guys, they're coming out with some amazing things and special drills, and I just eat it up. I eat it up left and right. I am telling you. Tell me which one's your favorite. Just pick a favorite. Let me know what you think. All right. I'll link them below so you can find them if you're interested in any of these items that I'm showing you now. Make it easier for you to find them. And go check out FGNORMAL. Okay? See what they got. All right. Thanks everybody for watching. I hope you return and watch more videos in the future. Check out some of the other content I have. You know, it's fun. It's all fun. We have a good time around here. All right. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe button, all those fun things. Check out the video at the end. There'll be a video at the end. You might not have seen that one. Check it out. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody, and have yourselves a wonderful day. Bye, everyone.